Hello beautiful people, welcome back to tutorial number 2 on this. Yes, I popped that just a bit ago, and this. I know I should not be popping it, but I'm a popper. Anyways, tutorial number 2 on this guy right here, right now. I used, was it LM11 in the last video, and after editing the pictures and stuff like that, I actually do like it. I do feel like it's a little too yellow still, but that is just, I feel like that is me just being extremely way too critical, because I am very extremely anal about complexion. It has to match in so many other ways, but like I said, the website is still out of LM14, which I know is probably my exact shade that I need. But I think for now, this light medium peach undertone should help for now. But then I also know LM12 is also a peach undertone, and LM13 is I think a yellow neutral undertone. Where I did a Divine Rose 1 tutorial, the last look I did for that palette focus, I used LM15. That was extremely yellow. And even when I am tan, I look sick when I wear LM15. So that is like yellow. It's like a yellow with a green undertone, which is not nice. So I think 14 with that neutral olive undertone is more of that neutral golden, I guess. I'm curious about LM13, but we don't have that here in the Netherlands, so I would have to go and get it from the website, but I don't want to go through that whole ordeal right now. But for now, little rant, I'm going to stick with LM11 for now, and if LM14 ever comes in stock, getting it. But during the summer, I probably will get LM18, because that definitely is more of my actual tan color, which is really nice. But we'll see, still figuring it out. But I am really excited to get more in depth into this tutorial and into this palette. Not too sure what look I want to do next. Might do a little bit of the purple. I do like this though, this one right here. It tickles my fancy in so many ways. That rose gold type of like, oh. Let me go prep my eyes and we'll get into this. Alright, so eyes are prepped with the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. Like I said, that is going to be my new go-to, but I think I might have to do an order with Fenty. And if you hear that, that's the rain. It is raining now. So I think, I really don't know what kind of look I want to do. Let me go with Extreme Black first. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a liner brush. Let's go in with that Extreme Black. And just really start to edge out the wing. And just build it up. Because I think I might use I think it's Amethyst, the Duochrome, this one, as the moment. But I actually want to put this down first, just so I could have an idea of how far I want to bring that in. Perfect. Because I think with this palette, I just want to do more editorial, fun, thinking outside of the box, you know, being different type of thing going on. But I know for the first 3 Mothership palettes there was black. And I do think obviously there is a reason for that, because the first one, Subliminal, that blue with that black base, if you put the black down, oh, that blue pops out so much more. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. And as a professional makeup artist, you can never have enough black. You'd be surprised of how much black you need most of the time. So the fact that the first 3 palettes had black, and the first 3 actual shades, special shades, were like really more black base. Ugh. She knew we needed that. But yeah, just gonna go put down a little line of where I want it. And then going in with the fluffy brush, picking up a little bit of that extreme black and just smoking it out. Literally. Just what I've been doing with every other look basically. And I do want to take a little bit more risk to build my portfolio with you guys. So this is literally me getting out of my shell. I really want to start doing more editorial looks, just to get outside of the box more, so you guys kind of get to join me on my journey of experimenting and exploring. So that's what else is going to happen on this channel. A little chit chat, chitty chat chat, perfect. Just really begin to edge out that wing. It's all about connecting the flow of everything, the building, adding, laying the foundation down, then adding, laying the foundation down, then adding. Ugh. But let me go ahead and do the other side. Make them look like sisters, and we will continue. All right, so this is where we are at. I mean, the thing about black, it's such a predominant color that if you mess up, if you're fucking up, like, it shows. It just shows. Just like life. But that is as good as it gets. Bring it down onto the bottom a little bit. Swivel. Yeah, sorry that you guys have to see that in these also. That's life. But next, I'm actually going to go in with this one. What is it? Oh, God, it's just so beautiful. And then I'm gonna, yeah, just like that. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is just, no words. Just like that. You put it on with your finger and it does the work itself. Like, oh, we are having a moment. Oh, God bless you. Bless your heart. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a flat brush, just to get more definition as to how far I want it to go, yada yada, over into the black. But yes, like, it's just such a beautiful wet dream. What? Then we're gonna go in with that black, just really start to define all the black I just had down. But oh my God, this is gorgeous. So beautiful. That's why I went with black first. Now next, actually, I want to go in with let me see what these look like actually. I don't know if I want to do this or this. Let me oh, look at that shift on that one. Like, this one you can barely, yeah, barely see. But I am thinking, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. Going in with this one. Should I wet it? Let's do the inner corner moment as well. Oh my word. You know what? Get in the finger, and that is going to be the highlight as well for the brow bone. Just to have that peekaboo moment of that color there as well. Oh, this is just gorgeous in every aspect. Oh, and I'm gonna use this as well. Oh my gosh, and I think I am loving this. Loving this orchid iridescent moment that we're having. Because this is all sorts of yummy, delicious, blooming. Oh. I mean, are you guys indulging in this? And then let me go ahead and clean off that brush that I just had with all the special shades. And going back into that duochrome just to really highlight the middle. Like, this is just doing something to me. I'm loving it. Some more of that black on the bottom, redefining that corner with the black. And then, oh, this is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful, beautiful color combination. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at that, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. Yeah, you guys will see the final look in a moment, so I'll see you in a bit. So here is the final look. I mean, it's just so dramatic and so, it's like a cotton candy. It reminds me of the neon sour gummy worms, the blue and the pink one. Bam. This I love. I love, 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 love. Love this look. And I think using the black as the first aspect of it, I mean, it just, the drama goes for days. Loving it. So for blush, I'm actually using Nymphet. You love it. And then for a highlighter, I went good old Divine Rose. I had to. I actually really wish all her highlighters was this formulation. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. But I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far and this palette focus, because this is just so beautiful. This is like, oh, it is definitely a lot more of an editorial type of aspect palette, which out of the first 3 motherships, this was really a lot more of the colorful one. I think next I want to do this one, the Night Creature. Have a smoky moment with that Night Creature. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. Lips, Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel. Love it still. Pale Fire Nectar. I'm pretty sure I nailed it. Pale Fire Nectar. Opulus Gloss. Love this. I mean, like this duochrome aspect. It just looks like liquid metal. On the lips, Pat McGrath foundation, LM11 with a little bit under my foundation. I actually went ahead and kind of powdered my primer and everything underneath. I forgot I had this Guerlain. This is a medium 3. I mean, I don't know how that's a medium, but it's cute. Laundry's done. I think I want to go and get the number 4, which is the dark. But I actually really do like this under. And people who are lighter than me, I like to just lightly dust it over. You know what? Since we're here, lightly dust it over those areas where you want to emphasize. And I like to put it under because it has a little bit more of the blurring aspect. So that is really the main reason why I like to put it under my foundation. Blur all those pores and everything like that. Benefit Brows still, same. I think I'm about done. No, I mean, it's still giving some depth to it, so I'm liking it. But here we are, tutorial number 2. I like this light medium 11, the peach aspect. Maybe I need 13. I know 14. 14's not out. I don't need any more foundation. Like, I don't need any more foundation. Because I was going to use this one. Surprisingly, this is actually somewhat my shade, kind of. I mean. But this is the LM. I mean, look at how this compared to this. Huge difference. But this is, I feel like it comes out yellow right here. Maybe it's because it's the beard. I'm pretty sure it's because of the beard. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. But I'm using up the tester before I actually dip into the actual foundation. I mean, it's just, talk about luxe. Yeah, you can knock somebody out with this. And I love the fact that this doesn't even twist off. You know it's a luxe foundation when that does not twist off. Airtight, full of liquid foundation. Anyways, tutorial number 2. What did we use? Extreme black. This one. I added a little bit of this one in that aspect, but mainly this one for the brow bone. Love it. As usual, go to my Instagram makeup page to see the final edit of everything. I was a little too heavy with the contour, and of course, hey, we got a friend. Yeah, a lot of full face of Pat McGrath right here. I am really loving this mascara. I only wear it for these looks, so I'm not too sure about longevity and flakiness and how long it stays. But if you guys use the Dark Star mascara, let me know, because she's cute. She's giving a moment. Because I do want to focus on one mascara for the rest of my looks, and also once I start doing more looks with models, I might continue using this and get the full size in that aspect. But God, I like this in person is just so beautiful. Like, this just does not do it justice, I swear, in so many aspects. I definitely have quite a few more looks and more ideas coming, so I think this one will easily be about 9, 12, maybe 15 different types of look with this palette focus, because I really want to like this gunmetal one. I think it actually is called gunmetal, I'm not too sure, but that in a moment, that's a smoky moment. That, and just smoke out the edge with that. I mean, this bronze moment, smoke out the edges with that. This by itself, and just smoke out the edge. So many options. So many options. So I'm really excited, and I'm really excited to create this portfolio for this actually palette focus. So yeah, everybody have a great day. It's raining here, and I need to get ready for the gym, and I need to take these pictures real quick so I can take all of this off. Look at how brown my eyes are. Oh, love. Actually, you know what? Let's do a ring. This is natural lighting, mind you. This is how perfect I look in natural lighting. Don't need no ring light. And I noticed with this foundation, like this actually really sets really fast, which I really do enjoy, because you don't need that much. And I think the whole alcohol aspect of it really helps to set really fast. It is a self-setting foundation, so that is really nice to know. But there we are. Actually, I think about right there is good. So tutorial number 2, I hope you guys are enjoying this palette focus so far. Many more looks to get into. I think I might just incorporate, no, focusing on the palette only. I was gonna say maybe I can incorporate the holiday mothership, but no. Focusing on slowly using the palette, solely using the palette. But check out for those pictures, and boom, see you next tutorial.